Hi everybody, Chris from Bish's RV in Junction City. You know, B vans are the hottest thing out on the market right now, and who wouldn't love to save a pile of money on a really awesome four-wheel drive B van? You've probably heard of the Winnebago Revel. Well, this is Pleasure Way's version of it. It's called the Rekon. It's a four-wheel drive. It's got the Mercedes engine. It's got performance wheels and tires, and this thing is priced to move quickly. It is pre-owned, under 27,000 miles, so pretty much highway, and it has got so many great features about this. This is a little more utilitarian. So for somebody who is really serious about getting out and going off-grid camping, you really can't beat this. You're going to notice that it's got a drop-down bed. This bed can fold up and get out of the way, and then you've got an entire kind of like a truck or a cargo van loaded for gear. You've got tie downs and everything, so you could bring all your camera equipment up with you, anything that you want to bring with you, sporting equipment, hunting and camping equipment. You have plenty of room to bring it all with you, and when you offload it, you can make this into a bed and you have a really awesome place to sleep. Lots of extra storage. One of the things I really like about this, most of the time you see they'll put a little refrigerator in these. Look at this thing. So this is set up, it's a Truma. It's got, it's a refrigerator, freezer. One of the things that's really nice about this is you can pick this up, you can take it out to your picnic table and eat out of it right there, get it out of here if you want to. You also have a bathroom right here. And this is kind of like a Swiss Army pocket knife. It's got multiple features. So you're going to notice that you have a place to hang clothes if you want to use this for that. You've got these nice shelves that can fit in here if you want to use it all for shelving, if you want to throw golf clubs in here, whatever. You can load this up with storage items on your way to go camping, and of course everything comes out and then you have a bathroom. So it does several different things all in one. You're also going to notice the full Mercedes platform with all the electronics up in front, backup cameras, everything. You're going to see that the comfort in the Mercedes is going to be much nicer. The seats have little areas right here if you have longer legs. This is the power button for the seats. It's shaped like a seat. If you want the back of this seat to move forward, you press the button and it does that. If you want the whole seat to move forward, you press the button and it does that. No buttons down low where you can't tell what they are or what they do. Just right here, really nice, and all set up for you. And you also have memory controls. So if you want to switch drivers, you press the button and it's all ready to go, set up for your comfort. These get about 22 miles to the gallon on the highway. So they're really optimal if you want to take some long trips across country and put the miles on. You can do that in one of these. Four-wheel drive, safe. You can take it any time of year that you want, and it is built by the world-famous Pleasure Way, so you know the quality is fantastic. This one's priced to move quickly. I'd love to show it to you and hopefully help you make a purchase on this one or any of our great vans here at Bish's RV. You can call me, Chris Bysted, and you can call me on my personal cell phone, 541-636-7878. I'm looking forward to talking with you.